talking in English is so easy. Do you know what the biggest secret is to speaking English easily? It's not grammar. It's not big vocabulary. It's something much simpler, and when you learn it today, you will speak English with more confidence than ever before. Tell me honestly in the comments, have you ever wanted to speak, but your mind became blank? Let's fix that right now. When I started learning English, I always felt scared. My tongue felt heavy. My mind felt slow. I wanted to speak, but something inside me said, what if you make a mistake? Maybe you feel the same. Maybe you want to speak, but you translate every word in your head and lose all your confidence. But listen to me, talking in English is so easy when you stop fighting with your own mind and start thinking in English before the words come out. And you can do this even if you are a complete beginner. Here is the truth nobody told us. Speaking begins in your mind, not your mouth. If you want your mouth to speak English easily, your mind must first see English as a friend. So let's practice that. Right now, look around you. Pick one thing. Maybe it's your phone, maybe it's your chair, maybe it's your hand, and in your mind, say one simple English sentence about it. This is my phone. This chair is brown. My hand is warm. See? You are thinking in English. You are training your mind to move without translation. This is the first step. Now let me ask you something to keep you awake. And inside this moment, what if you stopped waiting for perfect English and just started speaking with the English you already know? What would change in your life? I'll tell you, a lot changes. Your confidence grows. Your fear becomes smaller. Your fluency becomes faster. I know because it happened to me. I was shy, scared, and slow until I started doing exactly what I'm telling you right now. The second step is to talk to yourself before you talk to anyone else. This is not strange, it's smart. When you talk to yourself, you remove the pressure. You remove the fear of judgment. You allow your brain to practice like a safe playground. So when you wake up, say a few sentences in English. I am awake. I feel good today. Today I will speak English. Simple sentences, easy words, but strong impact. Your brain begins to recognize English as a natural language, not a school subject. The third step is to keep your sentences short. Short sentences make speaking easy and natural. Instead of thinking, I will go to the kitchen to make a cup of tea because I feel thirsty, just think, I go to the kitchen. Then add, I make tea. Then add, I am thirsty. 3 small sentences. 3 small wins. When you speak like this, English becomes light, simple, and fast. Let me ask you another question. Are you still scared of mistakes? If yes, that's okay. But remember this, mistakes are not the enemy. Mistakes are the teacher. Every mistake you make in English is pushing you forward. Every mistake is helping you grow. So please, don't stop. Keep speaking. Even if your English feels small today, it will grow tomorrow. And now you know the truth. Talking in English is so easy when you think simple, speak simple, and practice without fear. If you learned something today, if you felt even a small push of motivation, like this video, comment, I will think in English, and follow for more English learning videos. Let's grow together.